Number 69. If y is equal to x raised to the 4x, then dy dx is equal to what? So this is what we have, a variable raised to another variable. In order to find the derivative, you can use the formula or you could use logarithmic differentiation. Here's the formula. The derivative of u raised to the v, where u and v are both functions of x, it's going to be the same thing, u raised to the v times vu prime over u plus v prime ln u. So in this problem, u is the base, which is x, v is the exponent, that's 4x, u prime, the derivative of x is 1, v prime, the derivative of 4x is 4. So using that formula, we'll have dy over dx is equal to u raised to the v, so x raised to the 4x, and then times vu prime. V is 4x, u prime is 1, over u, which is x, plus v prime, that's 4, and then ln u or ln x. Now let's simplify. We could cancel an x, and so we have dy over dx. Note that we could factor out a 4. So taking out that 4, we have 4 times x raised to the 4x. And then once we take out the 4, what's left over is 1 plus ln x. So that's going to be the final answer using the formula. Now, on the test, if it's a multiple choice test, you could just use the formula to get the answer. But if it's free response, you need to show your work. So to show your work, here's what you can do. First, take the natural log of both sides. So on the left, we'll have ln y. On the right, we have ln x raised to the 4x. And then use the properties of logs that we talked about in the previous problems. One property of logs allows you to take the exponent and move it to the front. So we have ln y is equal to 4x times ln x. Now, we want to differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. Now, we know that the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. The derivative of ln y with respect to x will be 1 over y, but times dy dx. So we're doing implicit differentiation here, along with logarithmic differentiation. Over here, we need to use the product rule. Now remember, the derivative of f times g is f prime g plus fg prime. So f prime, that's going to be the derivative of 4x, which is 4, times g, g is ln x, plus f is 4x, times g prime, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So right now we have 1 over y, dy dx is equal to 4 ln x plus, here x and 1 over x will cancel, so we just get 4. Now in the next step, we can factor out a 4. So we have 4 and then ln x plus 1. After that, we can multiply both sides by y. And we'll get dy over dx is equal to 4y times ln x plus 1. Now, if you recall, in the original problem, we had y is equal to x raised to the 4x. So what we want to do is substitute y with the original problem, x to the 4x. And then we'll get the final answer, dy over dx is equal to 4x to the 4x. And ln x plus 1 is the same as 1 plus ln x. When you're adding, 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 3. They both equal 8. So this is going to be the answer, which matches with what we had from the formula. So anytime you have a variable raised to a variable, you could use logarithmic differentiation or you could use the formula. that was presented earlier in this problem.